Here we will have a look at um, the electrostatic. So what is electrostatic? First let me um, give the introduction. Okay, so yeah, let me write electro further on. I'm gonna give you that what is the meaning of electrostatic. So in this, like today, we only will be doing the introduction. What is electrostatic? Okay, now electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the energy associated with the charges. Energy associated with charges. Okay, means it can be moving charge or it can be the charge that are in rest. Electricity is associated with the charges. So electricity is divided into two types: electrostatic and electrodynamic. Our whole focus will be on electrostatic in this video. So electrostatic, as you can see, the word electro means charge, static means rest. Static means rest. Okay, and here is another type, electro means charge, and dynamic, dynamic means motion. Okay, so we're gonna look the definition. So this is the study in which it deals with the property and the behavior of charges at rest. Okay, if I could give you the example, so that would be of Coulomb's law, because in Coulomb's law says that the charges like Q1 and Q2, so there will be the charges, the charges will be at rest. Coulomb's, we'll be discussing that as well. Don't worry about Coulomb's law. And electric field. Electric field is the region where the charge experiences a force is known as electric fields, the region. So we'll discuss that in detail as well. Electrostatic means the charges as at rest, they behave as the charges are at rest. That is known as electrostatic. Now moving towards electrodynamic. So electrodynamic deals with the property, behavior of charge in motion. Means the charge is moving, that is known as electrostatic. So if I could give you the example, so example could be Ohm's law. We'll be discussing that as well. Resistance and current is a flow of charges. Current with charges, moving charges. For example, when the charges will move, so what they will form current, voltage, potential difference. So I hope that is clear. So now we'll be moving towards the basic intro of the physics. Means the basic things that make physics. So that is, first we're gonna see about the atom. So as we know that our universe is made up of all the matter. Matter is the thing that is something that occupies space and have a mass. So the smallest particle that the matter is made is known as atom. Okay, first it was discovered that atom is unbreakable, but after some time, when scientists came, and they told the discovery of the subatomic particles of atoms, and it is said that these subatomic particles also made up of quarks, okay, up quarks and down quarks. So properties and the composition of the every subatomic particle or the quark is different. So the first particle is electron, okay, wait, electron. We're gonna see who discovered it. So electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Here comes another neutron and proton. Proton and neutron only neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Okay. And if we talk about the proton, so proton is discovered by Rutherford. Okay. If I would say that what charge is present on electron, so electron contain negative charge, neutron contain no charge, and proton contain positive charge. So now we're talking about the mass. What's the mass of electron? So the mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Talking about the mass of neutron, so the mass of neutron is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. And if you talk about the mass of proton, so the mass of proton is the 1.73 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So now talking about the charge, so the charge of proton, one proton is equal to, or one electron is equal to, or one neutron is equal to. So basically neutron do not have any charge. So how it do not have any charge, so one neutron is equal to no charge. Okay, so we're going to discuss about the electron and proton. Electron contain the charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What this coulomb represent? Coulomb is basically the unit of charge. Okay, no charge, of course. And proton, the charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 24 coulomb, is known as proton's charge. Now if we talk about the location of the electron, proton and neutron, so electrons are present in the shells or orbits, okay, or we can say orbitals, means they are revolving all the time, they are revolving. Talking about neutron and proton, so they are present in nucleus. Okay, electron is known as the fundamental particle as well as the lightest particle. We'll discuss that as well. Nucleus. So the fundamental particle of atom is known as electron, and it is the lightest particle. Talking about the neutron, the neutron is heavier and proton is also heavier. Okay, so this was the composition.